You have a door that opens up that you could put this behind. That's enough room that has shelves and whatnot. This adds additional room to your door, organizing shoes, clothing, material that you want to put behind the door that you can't put a shelf on, but have a fabric as your shelf. And this is a product for you. So let's go open this up, show you what it looks like behind the door. We get a couple of dividers. They're made of cardboard and fabric, and they're pretty sturdy and strong. We get two hooks that are going to hang up on the door, so it allows the door to open and close. The organizer that opens up, just to show you a couple of the areas of interest. This is the area that you're going to put in your shelving, your dividers. Cardboard faces down. You simply slide this in, angle it towards the bottom. A little difficult at first, but once you get one in, you understand how the next one goes in. Slide them in, give a little twist when you have the clearance. Let's open up the closet. Let's put the hook on. On the hook, they got little pressure points, so this way it'll hold sturdy. You're going to have to adjust this to the side a little bit. You're going to then take the piece and you're going to line up the eyelet hole. And do the same for the other side. And when you close your closet, you want to make sure nothing's going to interfere. You can put into the side pockets anything that is small, not super heavy, it stretches open. And in the front, you can put anything in there as well. And you have pockets on the opposite side as well. I'm in the bathroom, and this is pretty good if you need to put anything of, bathroom stuff, shampoo, hairspray, towels, socks, whatnot. And I have a very closed-in door here, and we'll put it on. And you want to make sure you have enough room there, and there you go. So I can put my radio that I play in the pocket. I can put my hairspray on the side. Now some closets, the shelving would be in the way. But over here on the door, it does a great job. You could store just about anything you want. Here's 10 pounds. Here's 20. Here's 2. Here's 5. 32 pounds. And that bad boy's holding up pretty strong. This is pretty good. I could put my quadcopter, my drone stuff, all in here. Got a nice storage unit. Yeah, that holds a lot of stuff. Anything that you can imagine. The load capacity of this unit of the storage is 32 pounds. So please don't overweigh down the unit, but it will hold pretty strong. The clips are made of metal. They're going to flex a little bit. The eye hooks are really secured. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something you're looking for, baby, pantry, food, storage for just about anything that you can imagine. Enjoy your product if this is the right product for you.